In the name of the Almighty God, that I be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution. So help me God.
After swearing in, Peter Clever Mutuluza officially received his office and other related tools to enable him to carry out his work effectively.
I will also take the opportunity to hand over to you the Local Governments Act. For those who are involved in service delivery and local government, this is our Bible.
He was later followed by other councillors who were also sworn in. Unlike in other districts where leaders failed to read due to language barrier, these councillors, however, managed to simplify the document by writing it in local vocabulary for easy reading and pronunciation.
St. Peter Joseph, swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will give faithful service to this council and support and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda.
Swear in the name of Almighty God that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution, so help me God.
I pray, swear in the name of our God that I will give faithful service to this council and support and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as by law established sovereign.
Soon after the swearing ceremony, the Mpigi Court's Chief Magistrate Swanda Judith Nkoli advised all councillors to go back to school to polish their knowledge if they would want to ease their duties.
I encourage you that there is no law which says education stops at this age. At least I have not had any. Maybe for you people who are coming in the office, you will pass the law that a gentleman or a lady of 70 years should not join university. But I know there is no law. And if you think education is expensive, you try ignorance. Ignorance is 100 times expensive.
The new District LC 5 Chairman Peter Clever Mutuluza promised to enhance development in the district and asked for joint collaboration.
We don't have a hospital in Mpigi, and yet each district is supposed to have a district. I'm sorry, it's supposed to have a hospital. Therefore, Mr. Carr, with this Director Health, I appeal to you to make sure that we prepare all necessary documents so that we request the government to upgrade Mpigi Health Center for hospital level.
He announced that because the district lacks better health facilities, poor infrastructure, and poor education standards, he noted that these would be the first priority in the forthcoming budget estimates. Alosia Sengendo, WBS TV, Mpigi.